Daily upload. Please tell your friends. Nakalimutan ko kung gaano ka nakakapagod to. Ginawa ko to last August, yung daily upload. Pero back then, mas mahihain pa ako. Wala pa masyadong talking. Mostly montage lang. I forgot how hard this is. Minsan, akala ko, like today, akala ko ang dami kong clips na nakuha. Tinitignan ko pa lang yung clips na meron ako. Siguro pag pinagtagpi-tagpi ko siya, pinakamahaba na siguro 2 minutes. 2-minute vlog lang yung mabubuo ko sa kanya. Hindi ko kasi syempre ilalagay yung buong workout ko, diba? Kasi parang ang boring naman nun. But yan, daily uploads pa rin. Please tell your friends, tell your family, pati kaaway mo, sabihin mo nagda-daily upload si Jedong, okay? Okay, thank you for watching. If you're watching, I don't know. I'm done. Normally, pag Wednesday, dapat kasama ko si Jen, kaso may sakit siya. So, it's just me today. And dahil may sakit siya, bibili ako ng favorite niyang, well, hindi lang dahil may sakit siya, pero nagparinig siya kahapon tungkol sa egg pancake. Let's get it. Kahit sobrang init. Kaka-hot shower ko lang, nagsisisi nga ako hot shower pag ginawa ko, dapat cold na lang. Anyway, kakatapos ko lang mag-shower. Bili natin yung egg pancake ni Jen and then let's go home. Ah, fuck. Do you like the fish pancake?
Yeah. Binili mo lang yan dahil nakita mo kay Yeji eh.
Hindi, gagi.
I appreciate it.
You should.
Right, alam kong dahil kay Yeji.
Yeah, Jim, puto.
Eh, sabi mo kagabi yun nung nakita mo, tapos sabi mo bibili ka. Save mo. Wala na, namatay na. Patay na yung girlfriend mo.
Si Yeji? Nakalimutan ko na nga yung Yeji clip na yun eh. Napakatagal na to, 15 minutes, pero parang nagpa. Oh, so hindi nakalagay dito kung ano. Sabi ng ads. Alright, let's get muna.
I can't taste the chocolate. Are you sure it's chocolate?
I haven't.
It doesn't look like chocolate. Look.
Come from. Ano?
Ayaw mag-focus eh. Basta, parang hindi siya chocolate. Parang dinuguan.
Tapos na ako maglinis ng bahay. Kakalinis ko lang ng Monday. Linis tayo ulit na Wednesday. Because, as you saw, the aircon was cleaned. You had no choice but to re-clean the house because the dust went all over and the floor was wet. Miss Jen Jen is on the background. She's on sick leave. And she's sick in the head. With a headache. Tignan niya kung masama. Okay lang kahit well done. Hindi na well done to. Congratulations na to. GG na to eh. Good game, well played na to eh. Pero okay lang kasi it's air fryer eh. It's hard to manipulate the outcome of the... Woo! Wow, this looks better. This looks greener. Today's food is still the same. It's steak, broccoli, and eggs. We're waiting for the eggs because Madam is still doing it. Our meal for the day starts at around 3, between 3 and 6. Yan. Heavy meal, heavy protein meal. Tapos sa gabi, snacks na lang. I'd show you the meal tonight if I can, if I remember. And this is it, my friends. This is my meal for the day. And now we eat. Okay, tadakimasu. Are you studying? Okay, sorry. I was gonna disturb you. I don't have enough clips.
Drinking cold drinks.
And you're sick
And I'm sick.
in the head.
I'm not sick in the head. Why do you keep saying I'm sick in the head?
So, ang buong akala ko tapos na ako maglinis sa baba. May mga tupiin pa pala dito, punyeta.
Inakyat lang yung iimisin.
Kung may dalawang bagay na hindi nauubos sa bahay na to. 1, hugasin. 2, labahin and tupiin. 3, tain ng mga dogs.
Fair.
Hindi talaga sila nauubos. Ang nakakainis kasi sa paglalaba, kahit nung panahon na ako pa yung naglalaba, kahit nung teenager pa ako or sa bahay pa, yung pagtutupi. Kasi parang feeling accomplished ka na kasi tapos na. Tapos na nakapaglaba na ako. Yes, I can relax. No, you can't, bitch. Tutupi ka pa. At pag magtupi, isasalansan mo pa siya na maayos, magkakasama yung pambahay, yung pangalis, yung pang-gym, yung pang-bike, yung pang-ballet, ito no. Well, konti lang naman to. Pero enough pa rin para magreklamo na ang dami tutupiin.
Sana may maka-imbento ng washing machine.
Paglabas, nakatupi na. Dati ang gusto lang natin, paglabas, tuyo na, which is meron na ngayon.
Yeah. Ngayon gusto natin nakatupi na. Ang inang yung super tamad.
Or damit na hindi dumudumi, tsaka hindi nag-shrink.
What the?
Tangay na, alas lahat ng damit ko nag-shrink na. Am I getting big? Am I getting yoked?
Gusto mo lang sabihin kung ang laki mo na kasi.
Yeah, I am. I'm bulking.
Yeah.
I'm working late.
'Cause I'm a singer. Excuse me.
Okay, let's edit before my matcha runs out.
You're halfway?
Because if my matcha runs out, my patience is also gonna run out. After this, I mentioned snacks earlier. I'm
What
gonna
snack?
I'm gonna snack on Greek yogurt and
Wow! Magyayaw-yaw siya. You want the Greek yogurt, then I'll add the rich...
granola.
Yeah, the granola. And then I'll add Biscoff. So that's yaw-yaw.
Really?
Yeah.
Ba't yung yaw-yaw, maasim? Sobrang asim.
I don't know.
Not a fan. I was not a fan. I'm still not a fan. Bye.
Bye.
Give me the mic. You study hard, huh? So we become rich. So you can buy La Seraphim concert tickets. I'm gonna be the best vlogger of all time.